a population of 1.4 billion, or a living, breathing dream. Good afternoon to everyone. I am Sanjana from grade 9A. I stand here not just as a student but an inheritant of Bharat, a civilization, not just a country, the birthplace of yoga and Ayurveda, the civilization that gave the world the concept of zero and the world's largest democracy. This is the place where we originated many universities like Nalanda and Takshashila. This is the home of chess and the cradle of global spirituality. I proudly say we have 22 official languages and thousands of dialects from snow of Kashmir to the spices of south and Kashmir saffron fields to Kerala pepper wells. We have every state speaks its speciality. Punjab gives us wheat and courage. Maharashtra gives us dreams and foods, and that dreams have an aroma called Pav Bhaji. Our food is just not a flavor, it's an emotion and cultural journey from North's butter chicken to South Idli Sambar. But here is the question. If our past is gold, but why is our present still shrouded in darkness? Why are many employees of our India are struggling for employment? And if the legacy is a mountain peak, why are we still standing at the base? The answer is in your hands, in my hands, in every one of our hands. Let's stop thinking about darkness and become light. Remember one thing, our past is golden, but we have the responsibility to make our future a diamond. Thank you.
Sisters, deans and all my dear friends who are presented here. Myself, I am Akshita from 9th grade section A. Today I stand in front of you to talk a topic which is shaping our present and building our future. That's nothing but artificial intelligence, or simply AI. Imagine a world where machines can perform surgeries, cars can drive by themselves, even your mobile phone can understand your feelings. It sounds like a magic, right? But no, it's the power of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a brain behind a machine which help us to think, learn and create. So now let's see the real life examples where artificial intelligence is really helping us. So the first one is when you ask Alexa or Siri to play your favorite song, their artificial intelligence was listening you. When your parents take help from Google Maps to reach their destination faster, their artificial intelligence was guiding you. Even doctors take help from machines to perform surgeries. Their artificial intelligence was helping saving lives. Even farmers take help from AI-powered drones which helps them to cultivate and harvest the crops. The last thing but not the least thing is the automated cars. The cars which can drive by themselves. It is the biggest boon of the history in the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not a technology. It's the transformation which makes us to create a better and comfortable lifestyle. I just wanted to conclude that artificial intelligence may be smart, but the smartness was given by us. So the real smartness is within us, the humans. So let's use artificial intelligence wisely, where humans and machines together can create this world smarter, safer and brighter. And thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity and leading your eyes and hearts for my words. It truly means a lot, and